What's going on YouTube? Today's video we have an iPhone 11 to iPhone 14 upgrade. If you guys like this type of content, make sure you like, comment, of course, to subscribe. It's free and it only takes 5 seconds to do so. Without further ado, let's jump into the video. Got back from the Apple store, got my sister a new iPhone 14 in the white colorway. Let's go ahead and unbox it. There's always something about that new phone feel. It feels amazing. We're gonna go ahead and install a temporary screen protector on it as well. And we'll get new cases and everything else like that for her. So stay tuned for that. This is her old phone. She had it for almost 3 years, but it's seen better days. She's able to enjoy MagSafe accessories, better battery life, ceramic shield, better screen, even the camera, and most importantly, 5G. I haven't even bought a case in like over 4 or 5 years. I never realized how expensive cases are. I literally went to the store and seen this. I know people still buy them, obviously just like one-time purchases if you absolutely need them right then and there. Mind blown by all the ugly cases being crazy expensive and all that fat, thick cases being expensive. So we answered a few emails and we got hooked up from TORRAS. So shout out to you guys for actually hooking us up with a bunch of cases and screen protectors for this video. We got a clear case as requested, and this is very good protection. I almost dropped it several times, and I even did a little slam test. She got a little upset about that, but it's all good. So yeah, very good looking case. She's able to put anything in the back, but yeah, very good protection, clear, very nice resivity. And we also did get the diamond screen protector here. This is a 9H hardness. It's a 2-pack, one for me, one for her. And yeah, we'll just see how this goes. The installation on it is pretty good and pretty easy. All you have to do is basically get your 2 screen protectors, wipe down the whole screen, and it's really high quality stuff. So this is claimed diamond. We'll go ahead and do a drop test later, probably in this video, and we'll show you. But for now, we're going to show an installation. So first you wipe it down with the alcohol prep pad, wipe it down with the cloth here, and then you use the sticker. However, I do actually ask them to improve on the sticker. They should use a whole sticker peel off just so it's a little better for dust. And then use the alignment tray and put it into place. It has top and bottom on it as well. So use the squeegee that's included and boom. Very simple, very easy, and this is just a instant upgrade and very good for protection. This is an old comparison video. This is the iPhone 11 LCD. Runs about 3 to 4 hours. Her battery duration was at 65% on her old screen, and you can see it's an LCD. This one's a new XDR with higher pixel density and better ratio, better brightness, better screen resolution, nits brightness, and everything else like that. I would like to do a full comparison in the future, such as like, you know, full screen and everything else like that. I'll probably do it in the future on other phones, such as the Google Pixel 3a, if you guys want interested in that, or an iPhone. So stay tuned for that. So appreciate you guys. And if you guys want to check out any TORRAS cases, make sure you check it out in the link in the description down below. Without further ado, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. We out.